Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best all-season tires that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Are you tired of slippery handling in rain or reduced control during sudden stops? Or maybe your current tires are wearing out too fast, costing you safety and money? Choosing the wrong all-season tire can seriously affect your driving comfort and confidence, especially on wet or dry roads. Today we're looking at the Continental ContiProContact all-season radial tire, 225/45 or 1791H, a premium all-season tire designed for balanced performance, comfort, and safety. This tire comes with several standout features. All-season performance, built to handle dry, wet, and light winter conditions. Optimized tread design, improves grip and stability on highways and city roads. Comfort-focused ride, reduces road noise for a smoother driving experience. Strong load capacity, supports up to 1,356 pounds per tire. High-speed rating, H, safe for speeds up to 130 miles per hour. Even tread wear design, helps extend tire life and maintain performance. Pros: excellent dry and wet traction. Comfortable and quiet ride. Reliable brand with strong durability reputation. Good highway stability. Cons: not ideal for heavy snow or extreme winter conditions. Premium pricing compared to budget tires. Performance focused rather than sporty handling. This tire is perfect for daily city and highway drivers. Sedan owners looking for comfort and safety. Drivers in mild to moderate climates. Anyone who wants a reliable all-season tire without switching tires every season. At around $194 per tire, it sits in the premium range, but you're paying for brand reliability, safety, and long-term durability, making it a solid value for everyday driving. Number 4. This is the Atturo Trailblade MTSM/T Truck/SUV Mud Off-Road Tire 285/45 or 22, a rugged mud terrain tire built for trucks and SUVs that demand serious off-road performance with aggressive styling. Mud terrain, M/T, design, engineered for deep mud, dirt, and off-road traction. Aggressive tread pattern, self-cleaning grooves help push out mud and debris. Large 285mm width, gives strong road grip and stability on heavy vehicles. High load rating, 114XL, supports up to 2,601 pounds per tire. Durable 4-ply construction, built to handle rough terrains and impacts. 13.49mm deep tread, extra bite for off-road driving conditions. 22-inch fitment, designed for larger SUVs and lifted trucks. Pros: excellent off-road and mud traction. Aggressive, bold appearance. Strong load-bearing capacity. Durable construction for rough use. Cons: noisier on highways compared to all-season tires. Slightly reduced fuel efficiency. Not ideal for smooth, luxury-focused driving. This tire is best for off-road truck and SUV owners. Drivers who frequently go through mud, sand, or rough terrain. Lifted vehicles or custom builds with 22-inch wheels. People who want aggressive styling plus real off-road performance. At around $204 per tire, it offers strong value for a true mud terrain setup, especially if you need durability and off-road capability over comfort. Number 3. This is the BFGoodrich Advantage T/Sport LT all-season tire 235/55 or 18, a dependable all-season tire designed for SUVs, crossovers, and light trucks, focused on safety and everyday performance. All-season traction, built for dry, wet, and light winter driving conditions. Symmetrical tread design, improves stability and consistent road contact. Strong SUV/light truck construction, supports heavier vehicle weight safely. High-speed rating, V, stable performance at highway speeds up to 149 miles per hour. Deep 10.5/32-inch tread depth, helps extend tire life and maintain grip. Balanced ride comfort, tuned for smoother daily driving. Reliable BFGoodrich engineering, known for durability and long-term use. Pros: very stable and predictable handling. Good wet and dry grip. Comfortable for long daily drives. Strong build quality for SUVs. Cons. Not designed for aggressive off-road use. Winter performance is limited in heavy snow/ice. Slightly less sporty feel compared to performance tires. This tire is best for SUV, crossover, and light truck owners. Daily commuters and highway drivers. Families looking for safe, reliable all-season performance. Drivers who prioritize comfort and long tread life. At around $165 per tire, it offers strong value in the mid-range all-season category, balancing durability, comfort, and trusted brand performance without going into premium pricing. Number 2. This is the Accelera M/T01 Mud Off-Road Light Truck Tire LT265/65 or 17, a heavy-duty mud-terrain tire built for light trucks that need serious off-road traction and durability. Mud terrain, M/T, aggressive design, optimized for deep mud, dirt, and rocky trails. Extra deep 19/32 tread, strong bite for extreme off-road conditions. 10-ply load range construction, built for heavy-duty strength and hauling. High load capacity, 3,086 pounds, supports demanding truck applications. Wide 265mm footprint, improves traction and stability on rough terrain. Self-cleaning tread pattern, helps eject mud and debris while driving. Durable radial construction, designed for long-lasting off-road use. Pros. Excellent mud and off-road grip. Very strong load-carrying capability. Deep tread for tough terrain. Aggressive off-road appearance. Cons. Loud on highways. Less comfortable for daily city driving. Fuel efficiency can be reduced. Not ideal for winter ice performance. This tire is best for light truck owners who go off-road often. Drivers in muddy, rural, or construction areas. People who need heavy load support. Off-road enthusiasts who value durability over comfort. At around $168 per tire, it delivers strong off-road capability for the price, making it a solid budget-friendly mud-terrain option for trucks that work hard in rough environments. Number 1. This is the Mickey Thompson Street Comp 285/35 or 19 ultra-high performance tire, a street-focused performance tire built for sports cars and high-powered driving. Ultra-high performance design, engineered for aggressive street driving. Asymmetrical tread pattern, improves cornering grip and stability. High-speed rating, Y, safe for speeds up to 186 miles per hour. Wide 285mm section width, enhances road contact and traction. Low-profile 35 aspect ratio, sharp steering response and sporty feel. 10/32 tread depth, balanced between grip and usable tread life. Street-optimized compound, built for dry performance and handling precision. Pros. Excellent dry grip and cornering performance. Very responsive steering feel. Strong high-speed stability. Aggressive, performance-oriented design. Cons. Not designed for snow or heavy rain conditions. Can be noisy compared to touring tires. Faster tread wear under aggressive driving. Premium price point. This tire is best for sports car and muscle car owners. Enthusiasts who drive aggressively on streets. Drivers who prioritize handling and speed over comfort. Performance builds using 19-inch wheels. At around $336 per tire, it's a premium performance option. You're paying for serious grip, speed capability, and track-inspired street performance, not everyday commuting comfort. If you're upgrading your performance setup, check the link in the description for the best deal. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tire and automotive reviews.